Year 2. So for today's science lesson, we are going to be learning about food chains. So we're just going to start off by learning about what a food chain actually is. So a food chain shows how animals depend on other plants and animals for their food and survival. And a food chain can tell you about what animals eat. So these are some of the key words we're going to be using in today's lesson. So the key words we're going to be using are consumer, producer, prey and predator. We're just going to start off by looking at the difference between a consumer and a producer. So a producer are plants that make their own food, and a consumer are animals that eat food. So what we need to do now is we're going to decide which of these on the screen are consumers and which are producers. So in a minute I'd like you to pause the video and I'd like you to write a list of which are the consumers and a list of which are the producers, and then I will tell you the answers. Okay, so as you can see, the ones in orange, so the rabbit, the lion and the mouse are the consumers, and the ones in green, the lettuce, the broccoli and the grass are the producers. So now we're going to have a think about what different animals eat. So on the screen you can see a question, and I would like you to write down what you think the answer to this question is. So this question says, what does a cow eat? Do you think a cow eats grass, cereal or mice? I'd like you to write your answer down, please. And we know that the answer to this question is grass. So the next question says, what does a tiger eat? Does a tiger eat grass? Does it eat deer? Or does it eat a shark? Write down the answer, please. And we know the answer to this question is deer. What does a lion eat? So you've got three choices. You've got fish, grasshopper or a zebra. I'd like you to write your answer down, please. And the answer is a zebra. What does a shark eat? Does a shark eat fish? Does it eat rabbits? Or does it eat grass? Write your answer down, please. And the answer to that one is fish. So on the screen here you can see a food chain. So in our food chain we've got seeds, we've got a shrew and we've got a fox. The arrows that you can see on the screen now show the direction that the energy is transferred. So the shrew eats the seeds to get energy, then the fox would eat the shrew to get some energy. I'd like you to have a look at that food chain there. So in that food chain we've got grass, grasshopper, shrew, then we've got an animal missing from that food chain. Do you think the animal that's missing from that food chain is an owl or a frog? So which do you think would eat the shrew? Would it be the owl or the fox? Write down your answer, please. And the correct answer to that question is the owl. Once again, we've got a food chain on the screen there. So it starts with carrots, then we've got an animal missing, then we've got a fox. Which of these animals do you think belongs in that food chain? Is it the rabbit or the wolf? So which do you think would eat the carrots? Which animal would then be eaten by the fox? The rabbit or the wolf? Write your answer down, please. And the answer is the rabbits. What I'd like you to do now, Year 2, is I'd just like you to write down one fact that you found out about food chains from today's lesson. Well done for working hard in our science lesson today, Year 2. Keep up the hard work. See you all soon. Bye.